Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Amit. I love Hindi 123. Here you get video tutorial related to Hindi language which is designed by a native Indian whose mother tongue is Hindi language. In today's tutorial video you have to learn how to greet Indian people in Hindi. Number 1. Follow the animation action. See carefully and try to do same as animation acting. Number 2. Now try to say after listening the voice.
Namaste. Namaste.
I hope now you know how to greet Indian people in Hindi.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Thank you.